Hi guys. Hi, good morning. It is 9:47. We have to leave by 10 o'clock. It is my first Bridal Expo day. I am super excited. Super excited. We are almost done. Just have a few more little tweaks that we have to do. I have everything pretty much packed up. Let me show you. Okay, so this is pretty much everything that I am taking with me. Makeup chair, my Hulkin with my other chair, gift bag situation, makeup situation, backdrop situation, my beautiful little mannequin for display, my other makeup bag. And yeah, guys, we are almost ready. I have my sister assisting me today, which I'm really excited for. And she's also going to play my bride, I guess you can say. So I'm also going to be doing her makeup on site, which I'm really excited for. I'm really excited. Yeah. So guys, let's get to it. I actually need to do one thing before we head out. I just gotta make sure I have it with me. This is my entire emergency kit kind of. I got my little lip glosses, my backdrop. I need my paper cutter that I don't have with me. Where are you at? Here we go. I just have one more thing to do, just because it's one less thing. Yeah, so I actually have had these empty cases for a while, and I did print out a few little, well, just two. One that says, ask about our airbrush foundation, and a gifted makeup touch-up kit. We're going to be giving out a little bag with a teeny tiny makeup sponge for concealer, a lip gloss sample, and oil blotting sheet. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think what we're doing is pretty cool. There's only one more hair person that's gonna be there, so kind of excited. My goal is to get at least 2 bookings today. Not expecting much, but hey, if I get a booking, I get a booking, and if I don't, I mean, it's cool. It's my first expo. I am going to be taking you guys along with me today. I'm really excited. It's my first one. My sister's supposed to meet me there, so I'm really excited. She is an esthetician. And with this expo, I've been doing a little bit of research of what is competitive pricing to my area. So that's also what I will be promoting today. I will show you, I'll post it right here, of what I was giving my clients. They look like business cards, but it's just pretty much with my pricing. And oh, I love how this looks. Guys, look how gorgina that is. Whoa, look how gorgina that is. So I'm really excited, so let's go. I'm going to try to get everything out of the salon first. So let's go with that. Anything. The mannequin. Our table setup situation and one of our makeup bags. Whoever made the Hulkin is a godsend. Close up shop. And we are going to get everything in the car now. I'm a mom, so the back of my trunk, I don't know what it looks like right now, okay? Don't judge. I actually got my wedding shoes in here. I really hope everything fits, guys, because I really don't want to take my baby stuff out of here. I actually know one person that'll be at this expo. She's a bartender. So we're in different fields. But her drinks are amazing. The curtain that I bought for today, I haven't even taken it out of the bag. So I don't know what it's gonna look like, guys. That might be dumb of me, but it is what it is. If you guys see a bug, don't judge me. I live in the country, okay? This is our stand. I did leg day the other day, so I will definitely not take any of this stuff out. And I'm just gonna slide her in. We're gonna move this one over here so you can get directly on top of there. Okay. We're done loading her up. The last thing I have to load up is my makeup chair. I was saying, I live in the country, so if you see a bug out here, guys, keep it to yourself. They're my kid stuff or wedding stuff. Can't have both. So I'll be back. You stay here. I'm gonna go grab a coffee. Okay? Okay, guys. So this is the outfit of the day. I am wearing jeans from Target. I want to say it's like the Wild Fable brand. My Doc Martens. This top is the Skims dupe from Walmart. I have just a mini little Coach bag, my coffee, and my pizza ring. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna hop in this car and we're gonna head out. Let's go. So, go. Makeup for today. I am here. My assistant should be here shortly. We have to get the stuff. I don't know. I still have my bag on. Hopefully she's here in the next 2 minutes so she can help me bring everything in. She's much stronger than me. She's never had a baby before. So this has my address on it. Let's not show that. Okay. Light. I didn't see a plug. Hopefully there's a plug there. No, of course not. You're so stupid. We're about to be on gravel. We gotta hurry. Hello.
Are y'all in the van?
No.
Okay. I was gonna say I could move my truck.
No, I don't know. I think they are the porta potty people. Thank you. Yeah. ¿Cómo? It's so cierto. Huh? Yeah, I think so. Don't you think? Don't like screen. Home screen in. Hay mucha gente. Tíralo ahí adentro, it's probably dirty. Yeah, go for it. I'm on my vlog too. Yeah, no. Get 4 of them and then just fold it in half. Huh? No, es muñeca. No, es muñeca. Yeah. She looks really real, but yeah. Oh, no. She just has really good hair. Thank you. I have some hand sanitizer. Yeah. Hi guys, so we are all set up. This is what our setup looks like. I have my assistant here today.
Hi guys, it's me.
We live in the country, and there's a barbecue truck outside.
And they probably got brisket too, but I just want a chicken sandwich.
I really want that the barbecue chicken. No, it's barbecue, dude. Barbecue's pork.
I know it's pork.
Oh, I want the pork and mac. Una coquita, a diet coke.
No, regular Coke. We're unhealthy over here.
We've had one person come to our table.
And it's only 12:38 and we're here for the next 3.5 hours. And my sister said she was paying me $20 the hour, so I'm blessed.
I did not say that. I'm paying her minimum wage. She only has minimum abilities. Someone came to our table and they were like, hi. And she was like, hi. And she was like, so what do you do? Chelsea, where are you located?
What am I supposed to say?
She said, Chelsea, do you have a business card? Mind you, she had to make the gift card. Alrighty guys, we'll check in later. Bye. So hi guys, we've had a total of
20 bags.
9 people.
Sorry, we were talking about bags.
We've had a total of
9 people.
We've had a total of 9 people come to our booth. We'll see in about a week how many book with us.
I'm talking about in it. If you want the guy, he gotta spend it.
Okay guys, so yeah.
My brother-in-law is bringing me baleadas and a cup of coffee.
It is 1:55, so we actually have about 2 hours left.
I'm kind of ready to call it a day and go home.
This is why she deserves only $7.25, guys. Alrighty, we'll check in later.
I build the baggies though.
She only did the lip glosses.
No, I didn't. I did build some of the bags. Don't do that.
She did set the table as well.
I did.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know if y'all really like the backdrop. If you do not like it, she did it. If you like it, I did it.
Alrighty, guys.
But there's a bartender here we're about to go visit. Maybe she got some sparkling grape juice or something.
Okay, bye. Okay, guys, so we have about 45 minutes left. It is 3:15, 3:16. And yeah, we've had about 12 people come to our booth.
12.
But yeah,
We visited the bartender. The drinks were on point, impeccable.
this is my first expo, so I really wasn't expecting much. My goal was 2 bookings. So I will be checking my website within a week or so to see if we get any inquiries.
And I'm getting paid $14 the hour, guys. Round of applause. You gotta add a...
And so yeah, guys, we're going to be here for another 45 minutes.
We are, and we're gonna go visit the sweet treat table right across from us because the streets are kind of staring at me.
So guys, we went to the cake spot.
I don't know, cooking.
It's really good. And we did a 360 photo booth situation. I'm going to insert that right now so you guys can see it.
Look, guys. Yeah, that's all you're gonna get.
But we're going to eat our treats and we're going to start packing up. Alrighty guys, we're going to start packing up. We have a collection of cards. I've had too much sugar today.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we're going to start. I'm going to put that in my Canva bag. Porque hay un lip gloss acá adentro.
Where?
Los screws para que no dañe la cortina. Yay! We are cleaning up. Now, guys, she's really deserving her pay. Look at her go! So, guys, we are all done for today. It is actually 4:03 and we are ready. So, yeah, guys. Thank you guys for coming with me today. A little vloggy style. Guys. Yeah. So if you guys like this kind of content, if you want to be on this bridal hairstylist journey with me, yeah, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Bye, guys.